Good afternoon. As the young lady indicated, my name is William Stewart Boyd. Currently, I'm a judge in the Circuit Court of Cook County. My present assignment is in domestic relations. I've been a judge for a little over 13 years. Prior to becoming a judge, I was an attorney for 17 years, and I tried every case from murder to probate and everything in between. In fact, I used to be hired by other lawyers to try their cases because trial skills are a very specific skill set. Now, I went on the bench in 1998. My first 4 or 5 months was spent in traffic court, and that's where they have you learn how to interact with the public and learn how to handle a high volume courtroom. After that, I was transferred to domestic relations, where I was a trial judge initially on calendar C. Now, as a trial judge, as you might, the term infers, you try cases. And I did that for 4 or 5 months. My presiding judge at that time, Judge Timothy Evans, saw fit to elevate me to the preliminary slot. Now, as a preliminary judge, I hear every case that starts from the initial filing till I decide it's ready to go to trial. I have anywhere from a low of 27 cases a day to a high of 130 cases. I have a 1,300 or 1,400 case backlog. Now, I'm also the only judge in the preliminary call who tries cases, because I enjoy trying cases. I enjoy seeing the lawyers. I enjoy keeping those skills fresh in my mind. Now, that sometimes becomes very difficult, so I can only try like 4 or 5 cases a year. Now, when you're looking, I'm looking to go to the appellate court. Now, when you're looking at judges in general, you always want to make sure that they're qualified for their positions. I've been rated highly qualified, well qualified, recommended, or qualified by every bar association. There's 11 of them, and I've been rated by every one of them. Now, in addition to that, if you go to my website, Vote Boyd for Judge, I have listed every evaluation that I've been given, because almost all bar associations also have comments about your abilities. And I think that our peers who rate us are the best people to know our abilities. And go to my website and you'll be able to see the full transcript of my ratings and the comments about me. And I've been very flattered by what they have said about me. Now, I've spent 12 and a half years in domestic relations. And one of the things that domestic relations has taught me is that not only do you have to be qualified to be a judge, not only do you have to have the legal knowledge to be a judge, but you also have to have a sense of compassion, a sense of humanity. Because otherwise, all we would have is a computer. You input the crime or the situation, and it sends out a result. You have to have a judge that has that compassion, that knows people and understands people. Because I can guarantee you, perhaps not anyone in this crowd, but your brother, your sister, your friend, your cousin, if they come before a judge, you want to make sure that judge is a person that you want judging them, that has an understanding of people and has compassion. Now, we go to the appellate court. The same rules apply. You want to have a judge that's not only qualified, not only has a depth and breadth of legal knowledge, I have over 30 years in practice, but also has that humanity about them, that has an understanding, again, of the human psyche. Now, my punch number is 124. Again, my name is William Stewart Boyd, and I appreciate if you would vote for me on March 20th, or early voting on February 27th. Thank you.